skin. You see all these girlies when they go out, you see that their skin is shining, their skin is looking popping, and you wonder what they use on their skin. Let me tell you one of the secrets that they are doing in their skincare routine is. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lovett, but you can call me Love Kayla. And in this channel I talked about skincare and how you can use it the safest way to get the best results. Now if this sounds like your vibe, do it to subscribe and be part of our community, okay? And with that being said, let's get right into today's video. So I created a combo, a brightening combo that you can use to brighten up your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, glow your skin, make your skin look flawless, soft and supple, all the goodies. You're going to get it in this routine. Now the reason why I created this combo is because of the current weather, okay? Because of the weather, our skin tends to dry up quickly, and you might not be seeing that glow that you normally see on your skin. So this is the main reason why I created this combo, so that it can help you to keep your skin hydrated for 24 hours, even more than, and also glow your skin, brighten up your skin, and keep your skin soft and just give you that beautiful healthy skin. Okay, so let's start with the body lotion. This body lotion is the Aqua Rich Hydrating Bright Body Lotion. You guys, this body lotion is being formulated with ingredients that are going to brighten up your skin, that are going to moisturize your skin and glow your skin. You know that vitamin C is one key ingredient we look out for, that is going to help brighten up your skin naturally and just remove any kind of blemishes on your skin and just give you that flawless skin. So in this body lotion we have vitamin C, we have turmeric, we also have other ingredients that are going to help brighten up your skin and just moisturize your skin. Now because this body lotion is not going to give you the results that I really want it to give you, that's the main reason why I created this combo, and I had other products that are going to work hand in hand to give you the results that you want in this routine. Okay, the second product that you'll be needing in this routine is a shower gel, and when it comes to the shower gel, I also recommend the Aqua Rich Hydrating Bright Shower Gel. You guys, when you pair this product together, this is from the same company, this is from the same brand. When you pair this product together, you're going to see really effective change on your skin, and it's just going to give you that smooth feeling, that glow skin, and it's just going to be there for the next 24 hours. Okay, so that has the main reason why I had this shower gel in this routine, because I wanted to leave your skin feeling moisturized, feeling hydrated. You're not going to be having dry skin, and this routine is suitable for dry skin. If you have dry skin, this is also a good routine that you can do this period to just keep your skin moisturized for 24 hours or even more, than because this is going to definitely moisturize your skin and just hydrate your skin from inside out, and you're going to be seeing it. Like, it's not something that I'm just talking about, this is something that you're going to be seeing it, and you're going to be seeing the effectiveness on your skin. Okay, so this is the second product that you're going to be getting. I jotted some things down because I want to be as smooth as possible in this video. Okay, I want to be very smooth, I don't want to beat around the bush. Okay, so the third product that you'll be getting is the Alpha Arbutin Collagen Bar Soap. Yes, this Alpha Arbutin Bar Soap is a bar soap that will brighten up your skin. Okay, it is going to clear dark spots on your body, it is going to clear blemishes, discoloration, is going to fade out uneven skin tone and just give you that brightening skin tone. The reason why I added this particular bar soap into the routine is because this bar soap is going to give you that extra push, that brightening effect you need on your skin. This is what is like the key ingredients in this routine that is going to give you that extra push to see that brightening effect on your skin. So that's the main reason why I added this bar soap into this routine. It is a very effective bar soap. You guys, I've talked about this bar soap in my channel like several times, and I tell you that this bar soap is very effective and it's going to brighten up your skin. If you have hyperpigmentation on your skin or any kind of dark spots on your body, this is going to actively get it off, like it's going to fade it off actively, and you're going to be seeing the result in less than 2 weeks. You will be seeing the result in your skin. So this is a bar soap that you should get it and add it into this routine. It's a must if you want to see that brightening effect on your skin. This is a must bar soap that you need to get. Now the fourth product you need to get in this routine is the Vaseline Vitamin B3 body oil. This body oil is an hydrating body oil that is going to brighten up your skin, hydrate your skin, and also keep your skin looking beautiful and flawless. This is a very good body oil that will give you that shine on your skin. You see all these girlies when they go out, you see that their skin is shining, their skin is looking popping, and you wonder what they use on their skin. Let me tell you one of the secrets that they are doing in their skincare routine is that they are using body oils in their routine. Yes, I said what I said. Body oils is going to transform your skin from 0.6 to 0.10 in just less than few minutes. Okay, so that's the main reason why you need body oil in your routine. You have the hydrating body lotion, the shower gel that are still going to help hydrate your skin and give you that glow on your skin, but the body oil is going to retain moisture into your skin and also brighten up your skin and just give you that flawless popping skin. So that's the main reason why you need a body oil in this particular routine. And it's also going to hydrate your skin as well. It's going to brighten up your skin. It's going to give you that extra shine to your skin. So that's the main reason why you need this body oil in this routine. Now let's move down to how to use this product. Talking about using the products, the first thing that you want to do is that when it comes to using your body lotion, you want to use your body lotion morning and night. The reason why you need to use your body lotion morning and night is to get the best results and also to keep your skin hydrated at all time. You're going to be seeing that extra rich glow on your skin. This will give you that effect that you want. Just doing it morning and night, this will give you that fast results and also that effectiveness you want with this body lotion. So you're going to be using it morning and night. Now when it comes to the body wash, you're still going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be using your body wash morning and night. So for the bar soap, you're not going to be using the bar soap every day. You're going to be using the bar soap 4 times weekly, and you're going to be using it only at night. Yes, only at night, 4 times weekly. Reason why you're using it only at night is because this soap is a lightening soap. Okay, it's a lightening soap. It's not a brightening soap like the rest products. It's a lightening soap, so you'll be using it only at night and you'll be using it 4 times daily because this soap is very active. You don't want to be using it all the time so that it will not go and temper with your skin barrier. So you want to be using it only at night and 4 times daily. Okay, every other product you can use it morning and night and every day. For the body oil, you're going to be using the body oil morning and night, every day, morning and night. So the only product you will not be using every day in this routine is the bar soap. You'll not be using the bar soap every day and you'll not be using the bar soap in the morning. You'll be using it only at night. That is when it's suitable to use the bar soap. So guys, that is all you need to know about this routine. I hope when you follow this routine the right way as I've instructed, you're going to be seeing results on your skin. You're going to love the way your skin look. You're going to see that glow, that shine on your skin, and your skin is just going to stay hydrated for a long period of time. Okay, and due to the fact of the current season that we are in, we need this kind of routine to help keep our skin looking good at all time. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do it to like this video and also subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and please do it to share my video to your friends and anyone that you think would need this video. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, until then, bye.